Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to change birthday on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change birthday on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the three dot lines at the top left corner, just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the profile and settings option. Now select it. And scroll down and find the option where you can change your birthday. Now here you can see there is no any features that you can change the birthday. Now here is the thing. There is no any built-in feature in the Coinbase app so that you can change the birthday on it, and there is also no any feature that you can add your birthday. So if you have added your identity card when you first logged in, there is the birth date that have been mentioned on it, and to simply change it you can remove the identity card and simply add another one, and by doing this you can simply change the birthday on it. And that's it. This is how you can change birthday on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.